know that that's gonna cut down on that retwist time, right? So I'm excited for that. Excited for that. Excited for that. Excited for that. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Hello, hello, and welcome back, everyone. It is your girl, Rishaya Reese, and we are back with a very quick video just to let you guys know that I'm actually going to be combining my locks. Well, more specifically, just my edges. So I did decide to go ahead and combine a few of my edges, and I basically just wanted to give you guys that close-up look. Before we get started, of course, subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the content. Of course, real quick video. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. These edges. That's a big old chunk though, isn't it? That's a big chunk of hair. Yeah, but I can already tell it just feels so much sturdier. Oh. Yeah, you guys, I think it's the right choice. It's the right choice to combine. I do wish I had rubber bands, but I do not, so we're gonna be using good old Bobby instead. Yeah, that's nice. You see that? Ouch. Definitely recommend rubber bands if you guys got them, 100%. It's so funny too because I had went to the pharmacy, the chemist the other day and grabbed some rubber bands, picked them up, and then I was like, oh no, I'll get them later. And really it's one of those things where you guys need to listen to that intuition, that sixth sense. Bam, just like that. Yeah, see, I love that I can do that now, and that feels quite good. 3, I'm combining on this side. 2, and that little baby one, my little nugget. That one I also combined on that side. Oh, no. It's cute, but I don't think we're gonna keep, oh shoot. Maybe we do. No. Yep. I think that's a good idea. Too. Start with this one. My hair is also wet, a little bit damp right now, because I did just finish washing it today. Tell me what you want. Okay, I'm gonna stop dancing. Two. I don't really think this one needs to be gone, but I'm gonna do it just to keep it kind of uniform on both sides. Go. Feels really good because those edges, they just feel a lot sturdier. They definitely feel a lot sturdier. But I'm most excited about my edges, not only because they're feeling a lot sturdier and stronger, and I feel more confident in pulling it back in styles like this, but also too because, I mean, I got rid of what, 3, 2, 10 locks? Yeah, about. So, you know, that's gonna cut down on that retwist time, right? So I'm excited for that. Okay. All right, we out of here, guys. That's the whole video. I combined 2 here, 3 there, or 2.5 with the little nugget one, and what did we do? 2.5 and 2 right here and stuff, and they feel really sturdy, my edges and stuff, so I'm really happy about that. That's what I wanted. And I mean, that's basically it. That's the whole video. Like, subscribe, get in there. Love you guys. Remember, we all journey to our own set of rules, so be true to you. This has been Rishaya Reese, your Loc Lioness. Signing off. Bye.